Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, this is the second video of our new series, so let's get started. And so guys, in today's video, I will teach you about the websites from where you can learn mobile app development. Mobile web app development is a very hot skill nowadays. Every business wants a website and mobile application. So in the previous video, I will teach you about some websites where you can learn web development free of cost, and some are paid. I think one is paid. So in this video, I will teach you about the websites where you can learn mobile app development. So first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and let's see that is there any demand of mobile web app development or not. So I search here mobile web mobile app development. So I click on this and you can see there are 56,983 services available. It means that this uh, 56,983 freelancers are available. So as you can see, there are many top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, level 1 seller, and etc. So let's open one of the gig and let's see. So guys, I opened his gig and he offered he's a Fiverr choice and he completed 179 orders, and this is a huge orders base. And after that you can see his bio. Usman, mobile web development professional with a solid 5 years background in mobile app development, and he write different things about his experience and other things. After that, I will see there is three packages. In basic package, he charged $100 and 1 to 5 pages, static Android and iOS app with navigation, no backend. Please contact for more details. And this is very, he charged good amount. After that, in standard, he charged $300, 5 to 10 pages, dynamic Android and iOS with authentication, database, and submission. 14 days delivery. After that, premium, he charged $800 with business Android and iOS app with authentication, database, and submission, 12 to 16 pages only. And guys, I will tell you about that. For Android web development, we use Android Studio, and for iOS, we use different software. But for if we want to publish on both platforms, the same app, then we learn Flutter. Flutter is from Google, and we can use it to publish our application on Android Studio and Apple Studio. So after that, as we can see his gig, and you can also analyze his gig, but do not copy his gig. Just take an idea and make your own gig after learning this skill. So as you can see, there are also other different freelancers which are providing this service, and you can easily open their gigs and take an idea. Uh, so guys, I think our Fiverr part is over, and let's go towards our websites. So the first website I also tell you in previous video is freecodecamp.org. This is a huge website. You can learn different coding skills here. In future videos, I will also tell you about different features of these websites. So I write here mobile app development. I search here, and as you can see, there are also Flutter course, 37 hours mobile app development course, accessibility, best practices for mobile application development, what is mobile application development, and other courses. So I click on this Flutter. This is from Bio Carnes, if I pronounce right, and it is a 37 hours Flutter course for beginners on the freecodecamp.org YouTube channel. So you have to go to their YouTube channel. I think he also give link. Yeah, this is the link. This is the video. You can also watch this video here. So I think this is a good course to start, and this is for beginners. These are the points like which he covered in this course. Developers count, setup, introduction to Dart. Dart is language for Flutter. Dart control statements, sound null safety, and many different sections. So go for it. This is a good course for you. After that, we go to our next website, which is called developer.google.com. As I told you that Flutter is Google's own uh, language for Android and iOS. So Google also, you can go to developer.google.com, and Google also publish different courses on web and mobile application development. And if you are beginner, then go for it. This course, like create your first Android application, learn more. And you can see he taught you in Kotlin. Kotlin also a programming language for mobile application. After that, what you will learn, how to create Android app with Android Studio, how to run apps with the preview tool, how to update text with Kotlin, how to update user interface, how to see preview of your app in Jackpad Compose. So this is the course, and you can see this. This is just for beginners, a simple application, and this is in written form. After that, you can also go to training courses, Android basics with Compose, Android basics in Kotlin, and different courses. So guys, this is also a good website. And if you are beginner, then go to this developer.android.com. After that, there is a website called developer.apple.com. If you want to build applications only for iOS, then you can use Swift language, and this is the official Apple website from where you can learn uh, Swift and Swift user interface, Swift Cloud, Xcode, Xcloud, and this is these are the things used for uh, Apple mean iOS application development. So guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.